Joe from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Chevrolet Captiva here on a 2010 plate. So this one here basically goes from 2010 to 2007 to 2011. This particular model. I'll show you exactly which one it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to reset the service spanner light, the oil spanner light, which you can see in the thumbnail. That's what I'm going to do on this particular model. But before I do that, I'll show you the car. Basically this is what it is. If you've got something like this and you want to reset the light, and I'll show you the light as well. So if you see on the right hand corner right there at the bottom, that's the oil spanner light. It will come on in a second. I'm going to just start her up. Oh, it's gone off for some reason. It's a bit weird. But saying that, the battery light's on. The battery light's on right there. That's weird. I haven't even done the reset on this. OMG, this is so annoying. Right, switch it off again. Switch it on again. Now the battery light's gone. The airbag light's, oh, that's gone. So, tell you what, this is one complicated thing, isn't it? Here we go. Right, that's the light right there. We're gonna reset. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Basically, thanks for watching the extra minute of the video, which was useless. Now what you do, switch the ignition off. Now you got to press the accelerator pedal right at the bottom right hand side, this one here. Let me put the light on. So that's what you got to press about 3 times. There has to be 5 seconds basically. The moment you switch the ignition on, so you press it 1, 2, 3. And that's it. You let go of the pedal. You then start the car up. So now let's just see and wait. I'll basically forward this. Now the battery light is still on again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch the car off again. Switch the car back on again. Just make sure the battery light goes off. Now everything is off. Now we just need to see if the light comes on right at the bottom right there. If it comes on again. So basic step. Switch the ignition on. Accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. So you do 1 all the way down, let go. 1 all the way down, let go. 1 all the way down, let go. And that should then reset the service light. Earlier on it was about 1.5 minutes when the light came back on again. We're just going to see how long this takes. So we're in 3 minutes now. So far so good. So far so good. Hopefully that is the light that we're looking at for the service as well, because on auto data it doesn't really tell you exactly what the spanner light is. It just tells you how to reset oil service light. So that's the procedure that I've just given yourself. Switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on, press the accelerator pedal 3 times, pedal down all the way, back up, down all the way, back up, down all the way, back up. It has to be done within 5 seconds of switching the ignition on. So that's it. So the light hasn't turned on, so that means we've done the job. That's all it was. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. Sorry for the video earlier on. I mean, like, you know, in the start where the light went off and then it came back on again. But when the car came in, the light was permanently on. So I didn't know exactly what was going on there. But now that I've done it, and done the reset and everything, so hopefully the light shouldn't turn on. At the moment it isn't, so it's all good. If you need anything else, do leave us a comment. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There is a playlist for Chevy, do check it out, and I'm sure we've done a bulb on this as well, so that should be on there for the same model. That should be on there as well. Anything you need, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.